Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Tonight was a beautiful windless night, full moon and perfect for a night dive. We're at Angelfish Cove, just 15 minutes away from Port Vila, Vanuatu's capital. We dived with the newly set up dive resort South Pacific Memories. As we descended down the mooring line, our first critter was a juvenile painted spiny lobster with its antennas sticking out. There was also an electric clam under a ledge. As we dived over a sandy area, I found a sleeping goatfish just hanging out all by itself. There were so many sleeping parrotfish. Starfish, and feather stars. Here is a small pulsing coral I found too. Suddenly, the white lights were off and the red lights, which the fish can't see, were turned on. Then out of the darkness, a huge male hawksbill turtle emerged and swam under us. We then went to look under the ledge that the turtle was sleeping under to see a huge triton shell. This was also the first live one I've seen. Further along, the red lights were switched on again to show a massive parrotfish. Along with the other fish, there were many zebra lionfish too. And I found a feeding bubble coral. After we turned around and started to head back, we found a huge pufferfish. And I also found an ordinary smaller one, which looked very dozy and came close to my camera. On this dive, we never seemed to get tired of huge creatures, and this hermit crab with anemones on its shell was no exception. Here we found a feeding moray eel, a cornet fish, another lionfish, and just as it was getting shallower and near the end of the dive, I found a devilfish. Can you see it? Well, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.